Alright, so I'm installing TAC running boards on this Buick. It's a 2020 Buick Enclave. So basically, see what we're doing in the back here. I'm gonna turn the light on. Boom. So we got the bracket going up here. There's a rubber plug where I got them right here. These guys right here were in there. And then you got this other bracket. Comes off of here to here. Got another one here. There was a plug there. You know, you skip this whole section. I pulled that plug out, and that one, and that one. Oh, that one. And it was the wrong one. It actually goes to here. So I'll put that plug back in. And you got this little side bracket on. And then the final one's at that little last section right there. This guy here. So all the plugs, you know, I haven't done this side yet. Here, here, and here. You just pop them out with a flathead screwdriver, your fingernails, whatever. They just come right on out. Not even a big deal. And then you do the brackets. Once you got it all in there, hold on. You got adjustment. You can go, you know, in or out. You know, make it where you want it, up and down. And then when you get it to where you want it, like level wise, then you know, you can tighten it all down. But I'll put this in the link below. Click on it. Peace.